Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to this presentation. Today we're going to look at minimal pairs. Now don't worry if you don't know what a minimal pair is. I'll explain it today. It's very simple, but basically it's to help with your pronunciation of words that sound similar. So we're going to look at some examples and then do an activity with me. So minimal pairs, what are they? So a minimal pair are two words, different words with different meanings that sound very similar. There is only one difference in how the word is pronounced. Okay? And there are three types, different types of minimal pairs. Difference one is with the initial consonant sound. So hat and cat, choose and shoes. So they sound the same apart from the first consonant. Ha, hat, and k, cat. Choose and shoes. So number one, initial consonant. Number two is vowel. Difference in a vowel sound. That is bin, bean. Sheep, ship. So it's the vowel sound that is different. Everything else is the same. Or difference three, the final consonant sound. So the sound at the end of the word. Hat, had, and mean, meme. Now, as you can see, even with this one, although the word ends in a vowel, an E, the sound is a consonant, is M. So we don't pronounce this E, we say meme. So the last sound is M, consonant. So mean, meme. Very similar, but a slight difference. And this is a minimal pair. So words that sound very similar with one difference. Sheep, ship. Mean, meme. Choose, shoes. So that is a minimal pair. We're going to look at some of the most common problems that people have with minimal pairs. The most common types of minimal pairs. Including shoes and shoes, sheep and ship. We'll look at these. So the first type of minimal pair we're going to look at is exactly that. Sh and ch, like shoes and choose. So this is the SH sound and the CH sound. Or in the phonetic alphabet, we use these symbols for sh and ch. So the ch sound and the sh sound, they can cause difficulties, especially for Spanish speakers. But they're very different sounds, okay? So with SH is shh. We just blow air through the mouth like this. Shh. Shoes. Whereas with CH, we push our tongue against our teeth. We say ch, ch, ch. So if you practice making these sounds with SH, shh, and CH, 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 ch. If you practice making these sounds, it might sound a bit ridiculous, but it helps you to practice pronunciation. So just practice that shh and ch, 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 like cha, 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 and shh, shh, shh. So let's see some examples. We saw one already. Sheep and cheap, there's one. So sheep, which is the animal, oveja, and cheap, you know, cheap. So sheep and cheap. Shoes, what we wear on our feet, and choose, to choose between options. So shoes and choose. Just keep practicing those different sounds. Ship and chip. Ship is like a boat, on the sea, and chip like fries. Like in England we called fries. Potato fries are chips. So ship and chip. Another one that is often difficult for Spanish speakers is this one. Share. So to share something. If I have a big cake and I share it with people, give people pieces of cake. Share and chair. So yeah, practice that sh and ch. Next one, we've got s and z. So S and Z. Okay? But remember, it's not always the spelling of the word, it's the sound that's important. So when you make the z sound, your mouth, there should be a vibration. Zzz. If you put your fingers, your hand to your throat, zzz, you can feel the vibration. So, because remember, we have to practice minimal pairs, really important to make the difference, because the different sound makes a different word and a different meaning. So here's one. Ice with S, ice, and eyes. Eyes. So ice, like in your Coca-Cola, hielo, and eyes. I have blue eyes. So ice with S, eyes, eyes. Place. So a place in the city. And plays, like he plays football. Rice and rise. Rise is like the sunrise in the morning. When the sun rises. So this is rice with S, rise. Course, like a Spanish course, an English course. And cause, so to cause something. Often, we also see this S and Z sound to differentiate between the noun or adjective forms of a word and the verb, okay? So, for example, we have two words here spelled exactly the same, but one is the verb and one is the noun. So we have abuse. We have abuse, the noun, with S, and abuse with Z. Abuse, abuse. Excuse, excuse. Close and close. Use and use. So S with the noun or adjective and Z with the verb. Okay, next one we've got T and Th. This sound, the TH, the Th sound, can be difficult. But you should make your mouth, you should be like a snake, like a cobra, like with your tongue between your lips, like. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Boat with T and both. Boat, both. Tank and thank. Tent and tenth. Team and theme. Fate and faith.